How to turn on or turn off keyboard drawing assist on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on General Management. From here, we go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then tap on Drawing Assist. Next, at the top, tap on the on or off toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now once you see the pop-up, tap on OK. In here it said, unleash the artist inside you. Turn simple sketches into detailed images, create images from text descriptions, and change photos into cartoons, paintings, and more. There's no limit to what you can create. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the back key. In here, there are other options as well. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.